Tired of your Mustang GT's USB port not working? Let's solve it now. First, check the basics. Make sure your car is in accessory mode or fully turned on. Sometimes it's just that simple. Next, inspect the USB port for debris. Dust or tiny particles can block the connection. Use a can of compressed air to clean it out. Still not working? Let's move on. Check the USB cable itself. Try a different cable to see if the problem is with the cord. Cheap or worn-out cables often cause issues. If the cable is fine, it's time to reset the system. Go to your car's sync system settings. Find the master reset option and select it. This will reboot the system and often fixes USB issues. Still no luck? You might need a software update. Visit the official Ford website. Download the latest sync update onto a USB stick. Plug it into your Mustang's USB port and follow the on-screen instructions. And if all else fails, it could be a hardware issue. Visit your local Ford dealer for professional help. Now you know how to troubleshoot your Ford Mustang GT's USB port. Subscribe for more handy car tips.